Hello, I am Joan Schaffner, a law professor at the George Washington University Law School in Washington, D.C., and the editor of the Elgar Concise Encyclopedia of Animal Law. This encyclopedia contains 119 entries drafted by some 140 authors, leading scholars and practitioners in the field from 18 countries. Animals are ubiquitous in our world. Globally, approximately 900 million dogs and 600 million cats live on our planet, kept as companions, living in packs, or fending for themselves as strays. And there are about 10,000 zoos and aquaria housing millions of exotic animals. Annually, millions of wild and farmed animals are killed for their skin, fur, and feathers for fashion. Over 115 million animals are used in laboratories, and daily, between 3.4 billion and 6.5 billion land animals and fishes are slaughtered for food. This encyclopedia presents a comprehensive review of the laws that regulate our interactions with and use of animals, noting how the law balances human interests against animals' interests, and explores how the law may better respect and protect animals' lives and well-being, which in turn promotes the well-being of humans and the environment. Because science and ethics are critical to informing the law, entries on these topics include exploring animal sentience and cognition, the science of animal welfare, artificial intelligence, animal ethics, environmental ethics, and religious ethics. And because our relationship with animals has evolved and changed dramatically over the centuries, entries trace the history of animal law from the ancient period to the current day. The legal doctrinal entries are designed to be comprehensive and address most animal law issues, recognizing the breadth of issues that impact animals' lives. For example, because animal advocates often look to plant-based food as one solution to some of the harms currently facing animals in our food system, entries explore issues like labeling of plant-based food and humane washing in the food aisle. Further, the scope and focus of the entries differ. Some entries provide a bird's-eye view of the animal law framework of individual countries, including Australia, Brazil, China, India, Nigeria, the UK, and the US, while other entries focus more in depth on a specific substantive topic. The substantive topics vary widely. Some focus on specific doctrines such as anti-cruelty, wildlife crime, or estate planning, while others focus on the laws governing specific human uses, such as working equids, fur farming, aquacultural law, or animals in research and testing. Still others focus on the type of animal law practice involved, such as representing animal advocates, prosecuting animal cruelty, or serving as general counsel for an animal organization. Of course, given the breadth of each subject area and the practical limits of publication, each topic entry only canvasses the topic and offers additional readings for those interested in exploring the topic in more depth. This encyclopedia is designed to be accessible to anyone interested in getting a basic understanding of animal law and exploring how the law can evolve to better protect all beings on this planet. I hope you will find it interesting, thought-provoking, and useful. Thank you.